watch. This is Serpy. Now, the last video out of the 5 video in a one day was a video on a robbery that sent to Elizabeth that went wrong. Philly 87 them. Well, one of the dead 87 them, guess who related to? Remember the video I dropped about the female artist medic, the one that went missing? Telling about White Knight. That the video I show you one of the favorite jail boss them, Fenda. Well, guess who one of the dead 87 them related to? Fenda. A Fenda brother. Right. Dead. My sister only can tie back almost all of the crime them back to the same people them now. How random, right? Never talk about it. Now, I know you probably that think, boy, look at YouTuber, 5 videos in a one day. Right. Things I wouldn't see again till next year. Now we're back. Right. People that message me and say, boy, 5 videos in a one day and all 5 connect. Yeah, man, that's how we do it, man, because we're constantly trying to raise standards, push the boundaries, rewrite the rules of what can be done. Because we always want to make sure, say, we're elevating in life. You have to always raise the bar. If you feel like a cure good days, even if you are run 958, try run 954. So I'm saying, you know what, 5 videos in a one day, that's going to be an extreme challenge. Take it on, and we do it. But people that message me and say, but look at YouTuber, a 5 video they say, but me only get 3, me only get 4. How I go on? Well, see, YouTube have a policy where I'm only send out notifications for about 3 videos in a 24-hour period. Right, so people, enough people only get 3 out of the 5 notifications. I remember enough people don't really go up on YouTube like that. So them only go up on YouTube and then get a notification say, you look at YouTube or one of them favorite content creators drop a video. So people see 3 notifications and then they watch the 3, then they see no more, so them think a 3 video drop. Right. But a 5 video drop. So people will ask me, what is C4 video there? It drop, man. I must say, and everybody young and understand the technology, you know. Right, they must know, so we click the bell and they are saying to them. So people who never get right there too, they can put the link in the description, right, so you can check out the C4 card. Everybody look like most people never get the 4th video. Right. Link in the comment section actually. So as me say, Fenda, right, his brother, you tell him call Sean, real name, Christophine. You heard now. The man next to you name Chevon. Right, Christophine and Chevon go up and robbery go dead. Right. If you never know any better, I think so 2 girls. Right. Christophine and Chevon. Right. So, look at talk about it. You know, people are, yeah, me, I just want to talk about crime. Let's talk about this and talk about that. Or you can just go somewhere else. Right? I mean, what about vlog? What about people make video about white sandy beaches and jerk chicken? You can check that out. You see, people love to talk about RM and growth and opportunities. And you see, what I realize about not found. When talk about, we just love throw around buzzwords. Sound like when interesting. I don't really believe in no growth and because this is how me see. If Iron Man is to truly become a country that excels in things other than entertainment, right, then you're going to need certain people to play a part in Iron Man. I mean physically in Iron Man. Yes, obviously it goes without saying there's lots of talent in Iron Man, right, on the rock. But you see, always hear people talk about brain drain. Now for the Jamaicans who live abroad, who have the money, and more importantly, in my opinion, the knowledge that can take Iron Man to the next level, now will come back if crime high. And we need all hands on deck. Not just Jamaicans physically in Jamaica, but Jamaicans right across the diaspora. Whatever strengths them have, right now is being given to Uncle Sam and Trudeau and the Queen or well now, the quote-unquote king. Right. Them talents and if you drop back in the Iron Man. I mean, we're not talking about the quote-unquote Dan them and Chopper them. They can't stay with them. We're talking about the people them who can truly build enterprise, them you touch back in the Iron Man, and they won't touch back because of crime. Right. They won't touch back because them things something like happen to them. Now we know say indentured servants touch an Iron Man, right, and flourish. And we know say Billy Joe and Gwyneth touch an Iron Man and flourish. But context matters. We know say Billy Joe and Gwyneth can't touch an Iron Man and flourish because right, the bad now two previous size them up and did them nothing. Right, because who know you, listen how spooky things go. No, we are getting a the Fenda video. St. Elizabeth robbery and Fenda and him brother. I'm just telling you this. I remind them about this. Come talk with this already. People who know you, pre you more than strangers. Right. So, Billy Joe and Gwyneth, right, foreigner can drop in the Iron Man and go on the business. But when you come from a community with a man, and him know you from your little you, right, and him say you go away, or him say you do this or you done that, and him say you reach a certain place in your life, and him not reach there, him hate you more than he would hate a stranger. For some reason, jealousy, right, animosity, right, breeds more when time of people who know each other. So the man in the community, when him see you come back to the community and look certain way and dress certain way, and you could start 2-3 business, him here red, right, but him will say an indentured servant who never meet in his life, right, and just see him come to the community, open up one shop and just go and go buy from the shop. No animosity. Right, so that is why enough Iron Man people afraid to go Iron Man to go back. Because when them go back, where them want to go? They want to go back to them old community. And when they go back to them old community, thinking they're going to be accepted with open arms, it's often the reverse. And man, I know, say, hey, you girl party, you got a foreign, go like it, and you come back and go like it better than people, all the time, nothing to go so. We don't want to work for the enterprise run by the Jamaican. We don't want to work for the enterprise run by people who look like you. We want to work with foreign man. Because nothing make Jamaicans happier than telling you about them foreign daddy. And them know that them love working for Mr. Joe. Oh, Mr. Joe, he's such a nice man. And them don't even know the man for now. Quick for run on the man. Ask the renter dread. Joe Bogdanovich, my favorite head cook and cheese buckle washer. Which is kind of ironic. It's actually called Joe. But yeah, Billy Joe Bogdanovich, favorite head cook and buckle washer. Nothing makes him happier than tell you, say Joe, I'm boss. He wears it with pride. His chest, the button them on him chest, the bust open the way him full of pride. Jamaicans love that. My boss, I know nigga. Okay. Anyway. Sean is the brother of one of your favorite jail than him. Fenda. See him link, the Clarendon link them. The whole like Clarendon. I see the cute them. White Knight and them you there. White Knight still behind bars. Fenda behind bars. You know, the medic, the missing artist who they probably forget about by now. Because, you know, see, Medic's story was very revealing for enough reasons. You know. All I know, Dolly out there who things say, because when I see the uproar go on with Donnelly, and that gonna happen if anything happen to you, them explain something to you. You need to know, say, the influencers, party promoters, DJs, etc. Right, these are just virtue signaling battle followers. Right? Them ride the coolest wave. So, in a Donnelly case, supporting her was the cooler wave, because in the first year she was a policeman. Anything was a random squaddy. Right? Afterwards, them realized, say, right, mate, and was actually big in a dancehall too, big producer too, popular boy too. And you should know that because you don't know which Dolly you think I could really just there with a random policeman down the road, just so. Right? But anyway, when Medic case come around, I guess Medic friends and family were thinking that she would have a similar, you know, response like Donnelly. But guess what? White Knight them wave bigger than medic wave. White Knight, them links in the industry bigger than medic industry. There's more clout to be gained by sticking to White Knight. So guess what? Silence. So we see two females, two young, attractive females, two young, popular females dead. One of them, massive outcry, marches on the road, the next one, quiet like a mouse. Because these people are not driven by any kind of principles, any kind of ethics. There's nothing here, so there's nothing of substance, so this is all hype and wave riding. Who for wave bigger? Right. So White Knight wave bigger than medic one. So White Knight, Fenda them. If you don't want to know I'm to medic, link, ask Fenda, ask White Knight. What of them in the jail can tell you? Right. What like Clarendon man, they can tell you what. Anyway. In the video you see, the youth stand up by the door. Let me start two of them dead. Sean, aka, well the real name of Christophine, but then call him Sean. And you have Chevron. Some people call him Romain. Two of them go for robbery. Licensed firearm kill the two of them. They were carrying out a number of robberies all over St. Elizabeth, even neighboring parishes. JCF confirmed that themselves. One of them carry out beer robberies. But more to think about this. One licensed firearm holder did what the whole of the St. Elizabeth police them couldn't do. Stop Christophine and Chevron. Take out one of Fenda brother them. Right. And him second. Even though police said the other night, oh we're working on it. People at St. Elizabeth have the robberies must stop. Why you can't get them? Police said we're working on it. And one licensed firearm holder do what them can do. You know why? Because when police reach, gunman already leave. When police reach and them tires screech, gunman already gone and he's chilling on the beach. Licensed firearm holders react in real time, meaning it's happening now and they can react now. This is why I don't rely on calling no police. One licensed firearm holder did what the whole of St. Elizabeth Police Division couldn't do. Get rid of Christophine. Even if police didn't go lock him up in a Clarendon station, anybody come to ID parade, nobody no turn up. You didn't get bail. And you hear about Ceteris Maximus Scorpius and all kind of shit gone back road. More robberies. More shootings. More killings. I say a number of things played in the favor of the licensed firearm holder because they were so comfortable with the idea. I say them only have to look out for police down the road. That's them never even pay attention or go on inside. Right. But in everything in our life, right, luck play a part. Because people may see me, look at licensed firearm holder get lucky. In everything involves luck. When you're carrying out military operations, intel operations, you need luck. You need a little luck on your side. So yes, a couple of things going in the favor of the licensed firearm holder, but right, that's not film business. Right, we want him to be unlucky. No. The fact that them never do this and the fact that them never do that, that's for them business. When they can figure out that out down at the mark. Everything. See, every time when you see something, right, when I work out in favor of the favorite, 87, when you try to diminish it. A little bit of luck playing everything. The day your mother meet your father, a lucky them just happen to dip on the road the day when time she come out of a taxi and him stay right there. So, right, if him did 5 minutes late, him only meet Terry and wouldn't born. Right. Luck, faith, whatever you want to believe in. And as some people tell you, one man, quote unquote luck is a next man blessing. Depends on how you want to look on it. The point is, the man gets to go home to his family. The day belongs to the ordinary citizen who can defend themselves. Because some of them enjoy getting trampled over because they enjoy being victims. They like telling sad stories. When they want to win a gold medal at the Victim Olympics, and them do this to me, and just to me. And I don't take pride in being a victim. Being weak and defenseless is not a virtue. Let me say that one more time. Being weak and defenseless is not a virtue. People talk about being weak like it's patience or something like that, or loyalty. It's not something to brag about. I have no intention. Right? I was dying on my knees, I'm telling that already. Today belongs to the ordinary Jamaican who just want to go about their business, sit down in one bar and drink 2 juice in their friend and go home to their woman. These 87s are going to start learning the hard way. The days when you can just trample over people are over. And when you can do what you want to do because I want alone tend to have gun. But when you buck up in the next one, 2 want to get lit down by one man, and who knows, the man probably already under two whites and him still in enough shape to take them out. Both him and people out around the corner. Fenda, I know say I listen to this. The little kerosene will message me and then I drop them in the video. I know say I listen to this. White night, I know the whole I listen to this. Whole on so-called bad man, I listen to this. You must only building a reputation by pulling up on corner and shooting people who don't shoot back. Very rare, very rare when we engage in a shootout and come out victorious. Very rare. Pull up, see man on corner, bam 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 bam, and then run gone. We know it work. We're not used to challenges. That's why you see them on Mobile, at St. James, and a mentally ill man with a fire extinguisher. Make man turn in a track star. Anyway, Kitchen Squad, big up on yourself. Yeah, you don't know, more life. Vulture Squad, stay circling. Blessed.